Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to enable automatic updates on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. We will go to the settings options here, then apps and services here. Next we need to go to the services options here, and our option to turn it on is hidden under these 4 dots in the upper right corner. Automatic updates. To turn it on, simply tick this box here, and automatic updates are now enabled. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.